Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another episode of Projects with Chaz. How the freak am I going to do that? Tonight, we have a nice storm in Michigan and our power just went out. So I have an external little outlet on the outside of our house where I can connect a generator, do a little flippy flip in the basement and run some things in my house. So stay tuned. All right, first thing you're going to need to do is get a headlamp or a flashlight, and you're going to need to go down into the basement. Okay, the guy that we had rig up the outlet outside for my generator put this little thing in, and what it does is it prevents me from turning the main back on once I have the generator running. So what I want to do is I want to turn everything off. Let's see here. Boom. Everything is off. So I'm going to go out, I'm going to rig up my generator to the outlet that's outdoors while it's running. And then I'm going to come back downstairs. I'm going to flip that over, flip this up, and flip that to generator. And then I can turn on the things that I want to run without blowing up my generator. It can only run so many things, so I'll show you that in a second. All right, now I'm out in the garage, and obviously when the power's out, you can't open your garage door. So if you've never done this before, you've seen this little handle, and you're like, what's that thing? Well, you yank on it. Boom! Takes the door out of the track, track that the chain's connected to, and you can just lift it up. There you go. Once the power comes back on, you're going to need to connect that back up to the little thingy mabob. I don't know what the name of the parts are, but you'll figure it out. So next step is to get the generator. I'm going to wheel it out and connect it up and show you how that works. Okay, I'm wheeling the generator out of my garage. Hopefully I don't get struck by a lightning bolt because it's lightning and thundering even though it's February. So the outlet is on this side of the garage. I need to get this outdoors. You wouldn't want to run a generator in your house because the carbon monoxide would kill everybody. You'd be taking a dirt nap like Jim Jones and the Kool-Aid Kids. The generator should always try to be as flush to the ground as possible. You don't want it like at a weird angle. All right. Next step, take this cord. So on a generator, it usually has a weird prong that's different than the others, and that's this one. It has like a weird lip to it. So you figure out which one looks weird on there, stick her in, and then you rotate it. That little lip is to keep it from pulling out. And then I'm going to take this other end. I'm going to connect it to the little outlet that I had an electrician rig up on my house. Same thing, you got to find the weird oddball prong, line it up, and that's up top. Let's see. Get it in, give it a twist. Can't see what the hell I'm doing. There. All right, put it in, give it a little twist. Make sure it's insecure. Next step is to make sure you've got gas. I have 2/3 of a tank. I want to make sure that the fuel is turned on, so I need to turn that. I'm going to turn on the choke. I'm going to make sure that the on-off switch is on. Now I'm going to pull it. Flip the little switch to the generator and then turn on what I want. Like for now. Lock your shit up so some scumbag doesn't steal your generator. All right, I didn't get mugged outdoors in the dark, so I'm back in my basement. I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I'm going to turn the main off. I'm going to lift this little thing up that my electrician put in. I'm going to flip the generator breaker over. Boom! So that means the electricity generated from my generator is now being fed right into my box, and I can turn on what I want. I can't turn on everything, it'll blow up my generator like a freaking smart bomb. I have to be selective on what I can run. If I want to run the well, maybe I need to turn off a few other things. But it's better than sitting in the dark and freezing your nads off. So I'm going to turn on the furnace first. Where's that at? Well, I'm going to go through here and I'm going to choose what I need to turn on for the family. And then that's it. Hopefully the power will come on sometime tomorrow. Hopefully a tree doesn't fall in our house and kill us. But in the meantime, I'm going to celebrate that I'm still alive during the ice storm of 2023, and I'm going to crack this Brewha. So if this video helped you out, please like, subscribe to my channel, comment, and I'll see you next catastrophe. Thanks for watching. Some lights so that my sad dog over there, it looks like C3PO, can go for a walk. Alright guys, power's back on. I'm going to show you how I turn this off and go from there. Shut her down. Turn the gas off. I'm going to unplug it and then unplug it from the house. So this little thing over here, I don't know if you guys could see last night, but I had an electrician install this. It's wired right into the breaker panel downstairs. So now I'm going to go down and flip it back to the main and then flip all my breakers back on. So make sure you don't try to attempt this yourself unless you're a certified electrician. But that's how I get power to my house when the power goes out. Crank on my generator, which you can pick one of these up at like Home Depot, Lowe's, Costco. It's a complete lifesaver when your power's out and you're sitting around with your thumb up your butt, wondering when it's going to come back on. Thanks for watching another episode of Projects with Chaz. How the freak am I going to do that? I'm going to go in, turn on my power, and sit on the couch and enjoy some TV. So until next time, thanks for watching.